Harper's house. Hi, friends. Look what I've got. It's my Helping Hand star chart. If I get 10 stars, I get a reward. I want a remote control car from the toy store. Vroom, vroom. Let's see what jobs I can do today to earn a star. I know. I can help Dad with the laundry. That's a helping job. Let's go. This is Dad's and this is mine.
Great job, darling. 1 star for folding.
1 star down, 9 to go. Oh, silly Arthur. T-shirts in the shirt drawer, socks in the sock drawer.
Hey, my little helper, that's 2 stars.
Yay! I'm getting closer. Helping Dad outside is fun. We rake the leaves, then we're done.
That's star number 3 and 4 for hanging out the washing before 2.
The clothes are dancing. Scrub-a-dub, sparkly clean. Come on, my Harper helpers. Can you pretend to wash the dishes with me?
Wow! Another 2 stars.
That makes 6.
I'm a little helper, yes, it's true. So many things that I can do. Fold the laundry, tidy the drawer, put my shoes behind the door. I like to help, I really do. There's always something kind to do. Big or small, I play my part with helping hands and a happy heart. The dishes are done and the laundry spins. Helping out means everybody wins. Sticker stars for jobs I do. Helping hands, I'm proud of you. I like to help, I really do. There's always something kind to do. Big or small, I play my part with helping hands and a happy heart.
Want to help put these away, sweetie?
Yes, please. 1 more job for 1 last star. 10 stars! I did it! I can't wait to go to the toy store. There it is! My reward car! Vroom, vroom, vroom! Helping can be fun, especially when we do it together. What jobs do you help with at your home? Thanks for watching, Harper Helpers. Bye-bye.